We're all set?
Yeah, man.
Okay, I don't know, you're probably in the shot right now from this angle, but that's fine. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Dean Callan Show. Today, we're sitting down with the mighty Joe Wood. We had to change the camera angle, so if things look a bit funny, it's because he's 6'5" and I'm not even 6 foot tall, so we had to change the cameras. So, what are we making, Joe?
Well,
in the quickest possible time.
what we're doing is the Garden Punch, which is a punch style drink. Somewhere between a fruit cup and a punch, inspired by the English sort of country garden. So you've got vegetable and herbaceous flavours, and the base is gin. So I'm using one sage and apple gin. Shall I make it?
Yeah, go for it, man.
Let's do it. Right.
100%.
So this is so easy. It's like I'm going to do it in parts because we've got a small jug here, which is just the right size for you and me to have a drink. But let's see, if you've got 10 people, you need a bigger jug. So I'm going to use this shot glass for whatever that is, 35 ml.
Measuring.
But let's do it in parts. So I'm going to do roughly 2 parts gin.
2 parts gin.
So this is, yeah, it's got quite a few things going on. I guess I tend to overcomplicate drinks sometimes. I think it's all the years spent in tiki bars where you have drinks with like 10 ingredients. It's like you're used to making stuff like that, you know, you're like, yeah, like I ended up with a drink with 15 ingredients. Oh, okay, it still tastes good though, you know. So 1.5 parts of St-Germain, lovely stuff, and half a part of Cornish pastis. So, or you can use Ricard or any pastis really. Just for that nice.
That's interesting.
Like that anise flavour is going to
Can I
work really
taste
well
the
with the
pastis
celery.
on its own?
Yeah. I mean, this has been open for a while, but yeah, it's nice.
Thank you.
I like it. It's got a nice fennel note and not too strong anise, which is something I think puts a lot of people off pastis. Is that really strong anise flavour? Then we are doing half of nettle cordial, half a lemon squeezed in there. So it's one of those drinks you can just alter the ratios to suit your tastes. And we're going to lengthen it with both cloudy apple and some sparkling water. So let's get the veggies in from the garden. So cucumber, celery, mint, so nice herbaceous freshness, and start building it up with the ice. A few lemon wheels. So it's super simple. You can make this at home really easy. Start giving it a bit of dilution. And again, I've just roughly eyeballed this for this size of.
And that's just cloudy apple juice.
Yeah, this is Sainsbury's. Never from concentrate cloudy apple juice.
All right, happy days.
Which is fine, you know. It's the high enough quality to make it taste good. Obviously, if you've got a cold press at home, great. But I think to an extent, you know, you can make everything at home. You can make your own pastis, but to an extent, if you want it to be reproducible at any level, you need to use something that's obtainable, you know.
Well, I think it's a good point. Like, if you want a drink to spread and for people to be able to enjoy it all over the country, they need to be able to make it anywhere they go.
I think that's something that Peter Durrelli is always talking about, that the bartenders these days are using too many of their own ingredients and not enough widely available stuff. Tastes good to me. So yeah, I mean, if I'm serving this in a bar scenario, when it gets to the table, I'll jazz it up a bit. Just get some sprigs in there, you know, make it look nice. So it looks appealing, and then when it flies off the pass, we'll get another 4 orders straight away, 5 or 6 or so. Yeah.
Awesome.
Really simple, really nice. Then we've got our glasses here, and again, this is I think it's a load of flavours put together that are so widely enjoyed that, you know, I can't think of many people who would be like, oh, I can't drink that. It's just very easygoing, very nice, and it's something that's worked for us in our events.
That's really tasty.
Across the summer.
What was it called again?
Garden Punch.
Garden Punch.
Pretty simple. I don't messing around with names. It is what it is.
Garden Punch.